Hi, I'm Beatrice with BakeDeco, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I create stripes on a cake using this tooth comb. We're going to start with a freshly coated cake. So we just iced it, and you want your coating to be fresh so that your buttercream is softer and easier to comb. And we're going to be using this icing comb. We have many different variations available in store. There are different size teeth, and the distance between the teeth is going to vary based on the comb that you choose. So in this case, we're going to make thin stripes. If you want to do something thicker, there are so many different options as far as the size of your stripes. And we're going to start by combing our cake, and you want to make sure that your comb is at least the height of your cake. And we're just going to start combing our cake and pulling back. And you want to make sure that you're holding it steady and even. Don't worry too much about the icing coming up just a little bit because we're going to smooth that out in the end. Now I'm going to take my colored buttercream and I'm going to be filling in every other row with this colored buttercream. At the very end, we're going to scrape it clean, and that's going to reveal the stripes. And now that we have our stripes filled in, we are going to take a icing comb and we're going to smooth out the stripes. Now I know it looks a little scary right now, but as we smooth it, the stripes are going to reveal and you're going to love the design. And we're just going to remove our icing. Right now, we see more pink, but as we remove more icing, the white stripes will start to reveal as well. And now we're starting to see our white stripes come through. And this is the final look. These are thin and faint stripes. If for a bolder look, you can use a comb that has wider teeth, which will allow you to dig a little bit deeper into the cake. And tune in to our next video to see how we decorate this cake.